In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can convert a website to a mobile app. You have your website already, or you have a client who wants you to develop a mobile app for his or her website, and you don't know how to code. And you don't know how to use code, maybe like React, or you don't know how to use Android Studio. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can successfully convert a website to a mobile app, either Android or iOS, and you can upload it to your Play Store or your Apple Store. So if you stay with me to the end of this tutorial, you will be able to convert a website to a pure mobile app and get the APK or .aab file and get it uploaded to your Play Store. Hi, this is Romatech Digital and welcome to today's tutorial. If you know you are new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release videos next time, you'll be the first person to see it. So right now, in front of me is my entertainment website where I upload movie and music for download. Now, I want a situation where my visitors can be using my mobile app. Instead of visiting the site, they should just get the app downloaded to their phone, installed on your Android phone or iOS. Then they can easily access my site from the app. So how do I do that? Now, number one, you don't know how to code, you don't know how to develop a native app using Android Studio or React. Then how do you now convert it free of charge? So I'm going to teach you how to convert a website to a mobile app without coding, free of charge. This is the website will be converted to mobile app, and where we are going to convert this website to mobile app is very easy. Now I want you to go and type medium.co. Now if you come to this very website, you can be able to convert your website to a mobile app, either Android or iOS, and they are both native, free of charge. So we are going to do everything from scratch. Now if you are here, I want you to click on this create new app. So once you click on that create new app, then you fill your URL. You fill your URL, then the name of the app you want to give. I'll just call my Niger Trend movie updates. Then I'll just leave it like this. Then in this place, you need to put a contact email. Now the email will not be visible on the app. It's just for maybe any issue that happen on the site, they can reach you, or the app they can reach you any updates. Then the next thing you are going to click is start building my app. Then you wait for it to load. It goes to the next stage. Now the next stage is to brand. Now you see that immediately you put your URL, it automatically fetch your site logo. It automatically fetch your site logo. Now you can see we have for iOS and we have for Android. So if you don't want to use the logo for it, you can just click on this change logo and you upload your logo. Now this is the screen style, how you want it to be. If you want it to be in dark mode or you want it to be in white mode, this is where you choose it. That's where you choose it. So I'll just leave it like this. I won't touch anything. Then I will scroll down. This is the Android and this is the iOS. Remember, we are doing for both Android and for both iOS. Then the next thing you're going to choose here is your theme color. So I'm just going to leave everything as default like this. If you want to change anything, you can make change of anything and whatever you want to do. Now the next thing is your status bar, the appearance for both iOS and Android. If you want it to be light or if you want it to be dark, so you just choose it. I'll just leave mine as auto. And I want it to be unique. So once I'm done, you can see the emulator here. Once I'm done, I'll just click on done editing. Now it's going to show everything, both for the Android and the iOS. So in case you did a mistake and you want to edit it, you could just go back and click on edit. If you want to rebuild, you can just go back and click on rebuild. we want to create a bottom menu here so that it will look like a real native built app. So what we are going to do here, you're going to click on edit app. Then you are going to scroll down. You are going to scroll down towards this place. Now, if you check on native navigation, you'll see different kind of navigation. You see sidebar, you see bottom tab bar. So click on bottom tab bar. Then scroll down. You'll see everything on the bottom tab bar. Then from this place, you see add tab bar. Then you scroll down. Then this is how it will look like. So I want you to hit on this custom. Custom means you want to create yours. Then on your home, click on your home and put the link to your home page. Then click on confirm. Then you can create any menu you want. So in this place, I'll just go back to my site and I'll check okay, this movie. I'll copy the link. I'll go back here and I'll type movies. Then from the icon, I can scroll up and do something like search for something like movies, maybe movies, maybe something related to movie here. Okay, let me just use this, take for instance. Then I click on confirm. Okay, movies, then I change the URL to movies category, then I confirm. Then the next thing, I'm going to name it music. I'll go back and pick my music, copy it and drop it here. So you can create as many footer menu as you like. You can create as many footer menu as you like. So once you are done, you can check it both for Android, or if you want it to be in dark mode, you just click on dark mode and you can change the color of the dark mode, from this place. This way change the color. So if you want it to be on dark mode, then once you are done, you hit on what? Save changes. You click on save changes and you are done. Click on done editing and your app is ready. Now it will show you building Android. It's trying to build both your Android and your iOS. So once it is done, you can just download your APK file on your Android or the AAB to be uploaded to Play Store, or your iOS app and the files to be uploaded on your App Store. So this is how you create a mobile app for your website free of charge without coding. So you don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to know how to code to build your own personal app. So this is free and you can do it anywhere. So the next thing you are going to do is to hit on the download. Then you scroll down. You see that you want to, this is for the Android. You see that you want to download your APK or your AAB. Then this is for your iOS. You build the source and you download this. So I'm just going to download my APK and we are going to test it on our emulator. Alright, so I have uploaded the app to an emulator online. So let's see how it will look like online. This is an online emulator. So this is how the mobile app will look like. The first thing you see there is your splash screen. Then the main site will open. So I think this is perfect. This is perfect, and everything looks cool. Everything looks cool. It looks very cool. So this is how you build or you convert your website to a mobile app, and it is cool. It is cool. So you can learn how to do this and you can charge your clients. So you don't need to have the knowledge of coding or React or any other thing for you to learn how to do this. So I hope you find value to this video. If you find value to this video, I want you to like, share this video and hit the subscribe button. Whenever you hit the subscribe button, it encourages us to do more. Like, it gives us this hope that yes, there is someone there who is really watching our video. So till I come your way next time, this is Tech Digitals.